Hello everyone, if you're facing this low memory warning on Roblox with the error code 292, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix error code 292 on Roblox. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that you don't have any background applications running. So you're going to open up your task manager, you're going to go into here, and then you're going to sort by memory here. You're going to close all of the applications that are taking a lot of memory. So just go ahead and click end task on here and here. And after that, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Roblox game settings. And then you're going to set the view distance and render quality to 1. And you're also going to set graphics mode to manual. So there it is, guys. That's how easy it was to fix low memory warning on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Peace.